Your job isn't safe for 5 years. It's not even safe for 5 months. AI agents are absorbing entire workflows in 90 days, and most workers won't see it until it's too late.
Tuesday, 9:14 a.m. Sarah opens her laptop in a Chicago marketing agency. Her morning routine, sorting emails, drafting briefs, scheduling meetings, is already done. Not by her, by an AI agent her boss installed last Friday. She just doesn't know it yet. By Friday, she'll be restructured. 90 days. That's all it took. And she's not alone. Right now, while you're watching this, AI agents are quietly absorbing entire workflows in companies across the US, the UK, Canada, Australia. Not chatbots, not assistants. Agents. Software that plans, decides, and executes without you. Goldman Sachs estimates 300 million jobs are exposed. McKinsey says 30% of current work hours could be automated by 2030. But here's what nobody's saying. The timeline collapsed. What was supposed to take a decade is happening in quarters. So let me ask you something. When was the last time you did a task an AI couldn't do in 4 seconds? Writing an email? Summarizing a meeting? Building a spreadsheet? Coding a function? If you paused even half a second, you're already inside the danger zone. And here's the part that should genuinely scare you. Your boss doesn't have to fire you for AI to replace you. They just have to stop hiring around you. That's how it begins. A team of 12 doesn't become a team of 6 overnight. It becomes a team of 12 that does the work of 30. Until management asks why they need 12. Think about the Industrial Revolution. Weavers in 1810 didn't lose their jobs in a day. They lost them over a decade, except the ones who didn't adapt in the first 3 years. Same pattern. Faster clock. We're in year 1. So what do these AI agents actually do? They read your inbox, prioritize your tasks, draft your responses, schedule your calls, build your reports, analyze your data, and increasingly, they make decisions. Salesforce's Agent Force, Microsoft's Copilot agents, Google's Project Mariner. They're not coming. They shipped. Last quarter, the companies adopting them aren't bragging. They're quiet. Because the productivity gains are absurd, and they don't want competitors catching up. One mid-sized law firm in London replaced 40% of paralegal work in 11 weeks. A New York fintech automated its entire customer onboarding pipeline in under 3 months. These aren't predictions. These are case studies from this year. Now here's the pivot nobody wants to hear. The people losing their jobs aren't the worst at their work. They're the ones who refuse to use AI because it's not that good yet. Meanwhile, the colleague next to them, the one quietly running 3 agents in parallel, just doubled their output. Guess who management keeps? So what's the survival plan? 3 moves, right now. First, identify the part of your job an agent can't do. Judgment, negotiation, trust, creative direction, client relationships. Double down there. Second, become the person who deploys agents, not the person they replace. Learn one agentic platform this week, not next month, this week. Third, track your output, not your hours. Because the new metric isn't time at desk, it's value created per hour. If you can't measure it, you can't defend it. The workers who survive the next 18 months won't be the smartest or the most experienced. They'll be the ones who treated AI like a power tool, not a threat. The deadline isn't 2030. It isn't 2027. For most knowledge workers, the window to adapt closes in the next 2 to 3 quarters. 90 days isn't a metaphor. It's a real deployment cycle inside companies right now. So the question isn't whether AI is coming for your workflow. It already arrived. The question is, when your manager runs the next productivity review, will you be the one running the agents or the one being measured against them? You have a choice this week. Most people won't make it. They'll wait, they'll watch, they'll hope. Hope isn't a strategy. Action is. Subscribe because the next video shows you the exact 5 AI agents replacing entire job roles right now and how to use them before they use you.